Hey guys, Matt Moore here with Easy Dent. Quick tip, we're using something today called a paint depth gauge. A lot of people know about Carfax reports. Sometimes things don't show up on Carfax reports. For example, let me show you this. This depth gauge measures micrometers, which is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. This is 159. It's 173. That's very, very, very similar consistency. This is my personal truck here. This truck has 104. That's what the hood is. 104, that's what the door is, but all of a sudden we come to this fender and it's double, it's 260. That basically means it's double the consistency, double the thickness than the rest of the car. That may not seem like much. Unfortunately, if I ever going to sell or trade this vehicle, someone equipped with this is going to know this fender's been replaced. I hit a deer once, this was unrepairable by me, so we had to replace it. Yeah, again, we'll put this in the notes at the bottom if you have any questions about it. This is just one more reason, not only that having all the information is helpful, but it's also just one more reason to use Paintless Dent Repair. Not only does it not show up on a Carfax report, it also protects the integrity of the original factory paint. Painting this job's a really good paint job. I'm actually really pleased with it. Unfortunately, if someone, again, has this, they're always going to be able to tell that it's been painted, so that's going to devalue this car. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out our other videos. Like, share, comment if you have any questions, and we'll look forward to you on the next one. Thanks.